Exercise 16. We're going to take this image and transform it into a book cover. We're going to take, of course, Control J first, close the eye. We've selected our crop tool, and we're going to crop this image just a little bit shorter. Height, we don't want to use too much, a little bit like that's fine. And we can just double click inside, or we can just take the check over there. Now what I want to do is I want to put a yellow stroke around my image. So we go to our effects menu, stroke, and we want to change our color. So we're going to choose yellow. Let's look until it's nice and bright yellow. Let's do green, somewhere around there. So okay, stroke must be on the inside. And now of course the size of our stroke we can vary something nice and wide like that. Okay. Now we need to get a bit of a background, a black background. And the way we do that is we can actually crop it in. So we use our crop tool and it selects the whole image. We then widen our selection. Simply drag the handlebars, take it up, take it down, and we'll double click, and there we have it. Go to our background layer, select a new layer, it places on top of it, and we want to fill it with black, so the command would be Alt backspace. And now we have what is coming to start looking like our example. Then we'll have to put our text in, and of course we need white text. We don't need to have it so strong, we can have it more of a regular text now, and we simply click and start typing. Fetch our move tool, and we can move it into place. Control T, as you know, we can transform it and make the size whatever we desire. Press enter to make it stand. Fetch our text tool again. Now we're definitely going to go smaller, so let's start with about 30. And we want this to be bold, so let's just make it bold. There we go. There we have it, and we can again transform our text if we want to stretch it a bit, whatever we fancy to do. Enter, away we go, and that's how we design a book cover. Don't delete this. In the next example we're going to use this exact same piece to create a book, so we'll just pause there.